Hi, my name is Valerie and I'm a jazz soul singer from Oakland, California. I'm doing this Indiegogo campaign to collect support for my debut album, The Sound of Peace. The Sound of Peace features all of my original compositions in collaboration with my band, featuring Maya Kronfeld on piano, Darian Gray on drums, Raul Perales on bass, Salas B. Lauji on vocals, and Rafa Posto on trumpet.
The sound of love, rest in your voice. The sound of love gives me a choice.
All of the compositions stem from my relationships with my community and how I perceive our emotions, our emotional patterns to be.
The sound of love, rest in your eyes. The sound of love leaves no surprise. I take you as you are.
Since I was a little girl, it's been a dream of mine to take my band and myself on a journey through and with music. And I know that through this Indiegogo campaign that dream will come true. Our hope is to develop a tour for 2014. Our goal is to collect $27,000. With your donations, we'll be able to create a marketing and promotions campaign to help launch and support this project. I'm asking you to join my band in me to help us create a wonderful and successful marketing and promotions campaign. The cool thing is that the album has actually already been recorded. Through the last 2.5 years, the band and I have made financial sacrifices and worked a little bit harder just to make everything just right. So with your donations and your support, we can actually launch the album.
You love me as I am.
All of your donations matter and count, so give all that you can. Please send this video to your friends, your co-workers, your grandma, the kids at your school, your classmates, and $1, $2, $5, $100, $1,000, $15,000, all of that really counts and matters.
As I
You can expect to hear some rich jazz soul on this album that'll move you spiritually, physically, mentally, and challenge your thoughts and emotions and build you up when you feel down. Thank you so much for watching this video and for understanding and trusting and believing that the arts are a viable part of our society. Through the Sound of Peace, I'm hoping to attract new listeners. And if you're already a listener, you have music of mine, I appreciate you and thank you so much for giving.